This is what is included when you book a 4x4 camping vehicle with Warthog 4x4 rentals. We have the rooftop tent up on the vehicle here, and then we have the camping box. We have the empty box here, which is for grocery. We have the gas bottle, we have the chairs, and then we have the table. You have also 2 spare tires that you receive on the vehicle. One which is inside the vehicle in the back here, and the other one is under the vehicle. It's stored under the vehicle. Let me show you what is inside the kitchen box. You have the extension cable. It's mostly used on the fridge when you're at the campsite and you want to run your fridge on electricity. That's if you have electricity at the campsite. You have the cutlery set here. The cutlery set always comes with a set of 4, but we can also adjust it if you guys are 5, which means we have to add an extra fork, an extra big spoon and a small spoon and a cutting knife just to cater for 5 people. In the kitchen box, we have an egg holder because eggs are very sensitive. You can just not keep them somewhere there in the kitchen box. They are going to break. We have a bucket here where you can grab some water from the tap at the campsite. We also have a bubble light which charges with solar. So you can put it on your dashboard while you're driving just for you to charge. Use it at night at the table when you're having some dinner. We have the kettle inside the kitchen box here. The kettle is only used on the gas, please. No direct fire on it. That's the same with the cooking pots also. You have 2 sets of cooking pots here. They are also just cooked on the gas bottle, not on direct fire. We have the pan, which is also just used on the gas bottle, please. The other important thing that is inside the kitchen box is the cooker top. Very important. Before you put the cooker top on the gas bottle, you need to open gas. You just open for a few seconds and you close. You're just blowing dust and scent out, because if you don't do this, the same dust that is sitting on the gas bottle here is going to go directly into your cooker top, and it's going to cause the cooker top to block, which is going to be a struggle for you to make coffee in the morning. Just remember that part. We have another small bag inside the kitchen box here where we store the wine glasses, the normal glasses, and the mugs for coffee. These can be adjusted as to how many people you are in the vehicle. If you are 5 people or 4 people, which means it's going to be 4 wine glasses, 4 glasses, and 4 mugs. And then we have the side plates also. We have the bowls also that comes along in the kitchen box. And then we have the normal, which are the plates. They can also be adjusted to 4 people, 5 people, or 3 people, or if it's just one person, which is a lone traveler, and it can be just one of each set. The other thing is the chairs. The other thing about the chairs is that when you push to open and you're trying to close them, we don't want clients to hurt their fingers. So we always tell the clients, you step on one side and then you just lift up the inside part here, and then you just close them up. This is part of the camping gear also. You get a Braai rooster, which means you can grill some veggies or grill some Braai lekker meat and some lekker boerewors at the campsites in Namibia. And then you have a table also included in the camping. And an empty box here for your groceries when you do your shopping, so that you don't just throw everything inside the vehicle. You store them nicely in there. Empty grocery box here. There are other extra equipments that you can add to your camping list, but you have to pay them, which is the sleeping gear, which is the fridge inside in the car here. The sleeping bag here, or the sleeping gear, contains of the few items that are inside here. You have 2 pillows. These are for 2 packs camping. And then you have the sheet that goes over the mattress, which is only 1 sheet because it's only 1 tent. If it's 2 tents, then it's going to be 2 sheets. And then you have 2 sleeping bags. And then you have a blanket. We provide the blanket in winter seasons because it's a bit cold in Namibia. As you can see, we provide everything you need for the perfect camping holiday in Namibia. Like and subscribe for more self-drive tutorials in Namibia.